Hi friends, thank you for coming back. This is Elaine Marie. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. I thought we would do the sunrise today with some trees on each side of the water. And I hope everyone is doing great. Well, let's see what we have in colors. I thought the water, maybe in the sky, we have some dark blue, white, yellow for the sun, little purple, light blue, and two things of white right here. And the greens will be for later for the trees. Okay, here we go. Alrighty, make sure the brushes are nice and wet. Alright, here we go. We're going to dab some of this. Let's get some blue, light blue and some white. Okay, we just do a little crisscross in here. Okay, very good. If you press down harder, this will allow a lot of the paint that's on the brush to come off. Let's get some more dark through here. And I dab that with some white. Okay, and some more. Dab some water on my brush. There you go. Whoops, there you go. Alrighty. I love a lot of the watery sceneries. They're just so soothing. There you go. There we go. And again, press down to get some of that darker blue off the brush. Run it back and forth to smooth that out. Okay. I'll do some darker up on top. Okay, and press that down. I already have water down on the tray, and I just dab that a little bit like this and run that across. I'm going to get some more of this lighter blue. Okay. Alrighty. There you go. Let's get that. Make sure we got those edges good. We can run that brush just like this. There you go. Now, what I want to do on this one, okay, I've showed you this before. I'm going to take some white, dab, dab, dab. I'm going to flip that over very lightly. I'm going to come and look how nice that blends right in. Different areas kind of look like some clouds, or down here it might look a little bit like a reflection. Okay. Might want to dampen out your brush, clean it a little bit, and run this through like this. Okay, there you go. Alrighty. Now I thought I'm going to dab some orange. Dab some orange just like that. Oh, that looks lovely. There you go. I'm going to dab some purple. Alright. Let's do some purple right about there. And I'm sure when you're looking up at the sky, you see all different colors, and purple and orange and dark blue, we got a light blue. Now I think I want to just make this area a little darker. The brush is still a little dirty which is fine, having the purple and the orange on there. I purposely want to do that to get that effect right here. Okay. I like that. I'll run that across like that. Oh, I love that already. I love it already. Now I want you to get your angular brush and I want you to come in with some of the very dark blue. Remember, horizontal line at your horizon, which separates the sky from the water. We're going to go up a little higher right about here. And we're going to run that right across. There you go. Now smooth that right out. And there's your horizontal line right there. And you can see some depth in the sky. We have multiple colors right there on the bottom. Now right now this is a little wet. I want that to dry a little bit before we do the sun. Here we're going to be doing some of the greenery. So we're going to take a small whisk brush. I'm going to dab that out. We're going to come in with some very dark. And this is what we're going to be doing. Let's go on the bottom here. And we're going to tap. And this is going to be higher grass later for this too. That'll look really cool. Okay, now I'm going to come up higher. There you go. I'm going to tap this end up here. Alright, and then we're going to come over that way. Okay, and don't forget, now that that's dark, we're going to dab the very light green. And we're going to put the light. Isn't that cool? Look at that, how that changes that. I just love watching how that changes. And again, we're just dabbing your whisk brush. And we're going to bring that over, that little bit of that effect right there. I'm loving it already. Friends, please come back for step number 2. We're going to get the sun in and a few higher grass. I hope everyone is doing great. Please come back for step number 2, okay? Thank you so much. Bye-bye, friends.